Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is L3Harris to deliver Vampire counter-drone systems to US Army under order worth up to $106 million. L3Harris Technologies said it has been selected by the US Army to deliver Vampire counter-unmanned systems. The order is worth up to $106 million and forms part of the United States layered counter-UxS defense approach. The company said Vampire is a self-contained weapons solution designed to provide advanced reconnaissance and precision strike against drones and remotely piloted aircraft. Military forces have used the system extensively in support of European combat operations, logging more than 350,000 operational hours since 2023. We've worked with the Army to understand their needs for new counter-UxS systems that can be quickly assembled, delivered, set up and fired, said Tom Kirkland, President, Targeting and Sensor Systems, Communications and Spectrum Dominance, L3Harris. Vampire is effective at hunting and engaging drone threats affordably, which enables U.S. armed forces to sustain reliable defense of its personnel and infrastructure. L3Harris said it developed and invested in Vampire at the beginning of the war in Ukraine to provide a low-cost solution for eliminating Russian drone threats. The company said the system was designed to address urgent operational demand for defense against hostile drones. In 2026, L3Harris increased production of the Vampire system and began high-volume production in Huntsville, Alabama. The company said the new production line responds directly to the need of the United States and its allies to combat the persistent drone threat. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.